Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy the earlier version of your Google Docs file. So probably you have already made some changes into a file and you want to restore the early version, but you don't want to lose the changes also. I'm going to show you how you can make a copy of the early version. So open the Google Docs file first that you want to restore the early version and copy. So here is the file. So at the top, go to the file menu here and then click on the version history and then click on the see version history here. And then here in the right panel next to the version that you want to copy, so for example I want to copy to restore the original or the earlier version, this one, and then you just need to click on the more option or the three dots icon here and then click on make a copy. So here you can rename the file. So for example, the original file of preface, for example, and then you can also choose the folder or the location that where you want to save the file. For example, I want to change to save it in data folder, and then click on select and just click on make a copy. And just like that, the original version or the copy of the earlier version will be open like this, and you can find it in the folder that you've already choose before to save the file. Okay, so it's so easy. If you like the video, don't forget to give like and leave a comment if you have any question, and feel free to and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all next video. Bye bye guys.